Mahtomedi is my home. I have been blessed and I am thankful to be able to be a part of such a great district.
Wonderful job.
We're doing wonderful things for our kids, and then they go off and emote those positive things wherever they're going.
We have athletes, we have artists, we have scholars, we have leaders. They all come together and rally around this idea of being a Zephyr.
Our parents are our foundation for our school success. Our teachers are committed, they're passionate, they're innovative. We are so fortunate to have a community that loves and supports its schools.
Unfortunately, the state over the last 15 years has not met its obligation with funding school districts. This is causing many school districts, Mahtomedi included, to make reductions in their general fund year after year. For that reason, on November 6th, we will be asking our district taxpayers to vote on a tiered increase to our operating levy in order for the district to maintain and enhance operations and financial stability over the long term.
If the levy passes, our priority is to reduce class sizes district-wide and enhance academic programming. We also want to prioritize safe and secure buildings and build financial stability through deficit reduction.
We as a district have really gone out of our way to take the time and the effort to put those students first and to give them the tools that they need.
The district has worked hard to keep the class sizes down so that the teachers can develop relationships.
Kids are challenged to think outside that box, and teachers are there to support them along the way.
Mahtomedi is so much more than just a number on a test. We offer so many activities. Over 93% of our high school students participate in an activity or a club. We have something for every student.
When 83% of our general fund is spent on student-based expenditures, that means that our district continues to do a great job of focusing on needs for kids in the classrooms.
If the levy does fail, we'll need to increase class sizes, reduce program offerings, and as a result, reduce staff.
We need a strong school district in order to have strong cities.
Any realtor selling a piece of property, the first thing that they talk about is it's located in Mahtomedi schools. Property owners benefit from having strong schools.
On an average priced home, if the operating levy is approved, the taxpayer impact would be $159 in the first year, or approximately $13 per month.
I am absolutely proud of this district. You couldn't have a better place for your kids to go to school.
Once you're a Zephyr, you're always a Zephyr.